Hey guys, for today's soap, I'm going to be doing a fun spa day soap, and I'm going to be using individual molds for this one because the fragrance can cause some issues and more acceleration wise. So what I'm probably going to do is divide the batter up into fourths and pour it a quarter at a time. We'll see how the first one reacts and see if I can maybe do more of it the next round. I'm going to be doing probably in the pot with the uncolored batter and then some brown and black swirls in there. And then in the middle of it, I'm going to be adding these cute little pig faces. So it's going to be spa day, pigs in the mud. It's going to be a really fun soap. And the scent I'm going to be using, it's a fresh and delicate floral, and it's a mix of orange, water lily, freesia, hydrangea violet, and sandalwood. So it's going to smell absolutely amazing, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So they're going to be going, like I said, into these individual molds. My plan is, like I said, to do kind of some swirls in it, and then if I have enough time, depending on how the batter behaves, I want to do kind of like a circle, little swirl going in the middle, and then putting that little pig face in the middle. So I think they're going to be a lot of fun. And I need to get my oils and everything ready to go. They're still very cold, but get these ready to go, and then we'll come back to make the soap.